don't go, just watch to the end and you will not regret coming here. This is Successful Praise TV and it's all about tutorial teaching you how to play guitar and how to play keyboard, including drums. But drum will be coming after soon, very soon. Just subscribe and click the notification button in case anytime I post a video like this, you get notified and you come over to watch. And please keep on subscribing, don't lose faith, because here I'll be breaking everything down in the guitar and also in the keyboard anytime I post a video. Watch and be blessed. First of all, what I'm going to do, you can see what I played in the first video you just watched. It's very simple, just for you to know the chord, the notes, and how to place your hands in the fretboard and the strings. Now, to cut you short, this thing you are seeing here are called guitar, which everybody knows that is called guitar. So we call it guitar in Nigeria here. And you can see it has flats and also have strings. What are called strings? This thing you are seeing, this long thing you are seeing here, this long thing here are called strings. We have 6 strings here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. So from here 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are all called strings. They are very long from here to the bottom here. They are very long, and the frets are called here. See what is called fret here. This middle place you are seeing, this place that I just hold here, are called frets. They are called frets because they are compromised with each tones and surface here. Now if you listen here, there are different keys. You can see, and all these notes are called sound, which means they are compromised with one tone or the other. So our lesson today is going to be on how to hold chord, how to know this chord, and how to run through it, run a scale through it. It's very simple, just for you to listen and watch. Now, first of all, we're going to do, we're going to start from C. Now, how will you know that C? This is our C here. This is this second string here at the first fret. This one. This is one here. The down part, then this one that is following it, which is second string. So keep here anytime I call second string, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth, or first. You should know where I'm saying. Then if you don't know, pause the video, then hold your guitar, look where it is, and place your hand here. Then you will get what I'm saying here. Now you're going to hold your first C here. So what we're going to do first is to hold the chord. After holding the chord, then we'll play the note. Little by little. I'll make it slow for you to see it. First of all, this is a C. Then let's hold the full chord of C. You see, you can see it. This C. That is C. Then how can we hold this chord? Just the way I'm holding it. It's very simple. First of all, I'm going to play the scale. Like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then we'll play backward again. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Very simple like that. There are some notes that are going to be jumping, and there are notes that they are not going to jump. Like when you get do, re, mi to fa, we are not going to jump. It's close to each other. Then ti, do, we are not going to jump, also close together. Do, re, mi, fa, we are not going to jump. Do, fa, we are not going to jump. Sol, la, ti, do, we are not going to jump. It remains the same thing. Then you get to know that very soon. I will drop a video below. I'll drop a video very soon in this YouTube here, so you can get to know how is it easier to get those things. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, that you will jump and you will not jump. They are called tones and semitones. You get to know that we are here to learn how to hold chord, which is from do, from that do. Now let's play it. Do, you can see do. Then you move your hand, you strike again, open string. That is T, do, T, do, T. Then go to the third string here at the second fret. Can you hear that? Then we'll move down again. The same, strike it again. Now let's start from here. Do, do, ti, la, so, then fa here. Can you see it? Fa, mi, then re, then do, which is the last, that is the fifth string at the third fret. This is this fret. This is the fret. Then the fifth one. Then you play the second. That is the fourth one. That is re, do, re, then mi, then fa, then so, then la, then ti, then do. Then you play do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. You can see I'm doing it. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, then do. Can you see it? Then now, do. Then you first of all you hold your first. This is the second string. Then you jump this third string. Use your hand. Jump this third string. Go to the fourth one here. Then play it. Then this your finger. This your finger here. Ring finger. Then put it here. At the what? Fifth string. At third fret. Here. Then you play it. Can you see? That is do. We are getting our do. That is do. I'm sorry to say, in a guitar we have 5 do, which is 5 chord. They are do, just the way you have in keyboard. We have in a note or in a chord we have 3 do, which is first do, second do, and third do. That's how they used to call it, but not that way. Sometimes people always call it first, second, third. That is first inversion, second inversion, and third inversion. But normally many people play with first inversion and third inversion, which means I play with them also. So this is your do here. Now we are getting this do, which is this one. Then now you are going to play again do, re, then mi, then fa, then so, then la, then ti, then do. See how I do here. Can you see it? Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. See do, come here. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Can you see it? So that is it. So now I'm going to hold. What I'm going to do now is to hold this first do. I have already getting here. This do and the third fret. Hold all together. Can you hear the sound? Then you play like that. Then take your finger, this is your small finger. You place it on this first, that is this fourth string, third string, and second string, second, third, and fourth. You press like this. Don't touch this last one. It must not touch this last one. It must be empty. So you use your finger, this is your finger, to hold this place like this. This place. This is your 5 frets. 5. Then hold it like this. One side you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then hold it like this. Then first for you first hold here, all here. Then place your finger here like this. Can you see it? So can you hear it? But when you hold it like this, and see it changes. This is your second do. This is your second do. Now you're getting our second do, which is here. It ends here. Now to get the third do, I'm going to play the same do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then we hold our chord. Do, re, mi, fa, simple. Little. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So this is 8 frets. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Then this is for this or do. Then you hold all here like this together. All together like this. Then put your finger here at the last do. Then play all. Now you're getting your what? Your third do. Now let's move further. Now let me put it how you go sit where. Can you see it? Do. So you're getting our do here. Now let's find the fourth do from this do. Now I get here, which is give us the fourth do, which is the chord. Do, ti, move front. Do, ti, then la, sol, fa, mi, re, then do. Will give us a full do. Now how to hold that chord is very simple. Let's do. Then these two do, these two, yeah, these two string, these two string. Then put your finger, this finger here, then this finger here, then click. See, they're complete. Do. Can you see it? So they're not complete. Do. Now this do. Then let's play what do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Can you see do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, now do. Now let's find the last do. Do. Then let's go. Do, re, this do, then re, then mi here. Then fa, then sol, then la, then ti, then do. Then get our do. This do. Then do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now to get the full do, you hold this full place like this. Then this place that you're getting your last do. Now if you note something, you click here, we have our do here. Our do is here. This same do that is here also, which is here. Our first fretboard here, do. Then when you carry it down also, you get our last do here. Then we'll start another fresh do from here. What you are on here, you can also call me on hold it here also. Can you see it? The same thing, do, then here is do, then this will give us our last do. Can you see it? That's our do. That's our last do. So that is it. Now we have learned how to hold our do from the beginning. This is our first do, then that do, then third do, then fourth do, and fifth do. Can you see it? It's very simple. Just settle down and learn it, then you get to use of it. You get use of it. Now after getting this do, now how to run the scale is very simple. Now you started with learning the tones one after that, which is do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Then yeah, when you get to this place, to be easy, you play backward, which is do, ti, la, sol, fa. This do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. We are going to our last part. So that's how you continue playing it till you get used to it. You can also play it backward. Do, ti, little do ti la so fa mi re do ti la so fa mi re do. So you continue like that. Do. Now getting to here. Do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la so fa mi re do ti la so fa mi re do re mi fa sol la ti do with our last C. Do. That is it. So it's very easy. As you are playing like this continuously, for it to happen, you get used to it and start holding your do. So please subscribe, click the notification button to get more tutorial video on how to play guitar and keyboard. And also drop a comment below if you get any question to ask. I will reply you as soon as possible as I get your message. And please click the like button. Thanks for watching and God bless you.